Hi, we're at Baoase Luxury Resort in Curaçao. Just going to walk you through a little bit through the property here as we head out to dinner. It's really beautiful. It's a really great flat property, really easy to get around with. But what's really nice is they have all these little gazebos throughout the property. Great for, cocktails or just lounging around during the day. But as we head over to the dining room, or dining area, just gonna walk you through here. It's a really compact resort. What's lovely is that, again, it's got all these little gazebos throughout the day that you can kind of lounge and get to the beach. But as we get into the main dining area, you'll see that everything is set up kind of in a private area. Everybody has their own little private dining area, which is really special for a property this size. It's only 23 rooms, and top occupancy is 80. So very, very, very unique, very comfy. But again, just wanted to show a little bit about the little private areas that you can see here, where they set up little dining areas here. But anyway, this is Baoase in Curaçao. Definitely a hidden gem. Great for couples, families with teenagers, I would say, or older kids. Couples want to travel together, any romantic getaway. This is a really great option. Anyway, definitely a hidden gem, and we hope we can help you for your next trip.